Alright, Gabe, this is just a quick video. I'm going to show you one problem from each of these pages just to make sure that you're understanding how to do it. To find the number of sides, it looks like you did that alright. You count them up and that's just 6. But then to find the sum of the interior angles, you have to go up here and you have to use this formula, which is n minus 2 times 180, where n stands for the number of sides. So we just take that, this time the number of sides is 6 minus 2 times 180, and you grab your calculator, and on my calculator I'm just going to do 6 minus 2 is in parentheses. You can probably do that in your head. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Then you just take 4 times 180, and that gives you 720. What that's telling you is that all 6 of these angles together, we don't know what any one of them is, but we know that all 6 of them together have to add up to 720 degrees. So that's how you do the first page. The second page, you're finding the sum of the exterior angles, and I can't remember if I whited this out on purpose or whatever. It just didn't. Oh yeah, I did white it out. So you're just finding the sum of all the exterior angles. Well, on the video, the sum of the exterior angles is always the same. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. So let's count sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. So that goes in that block. And on this page, every single answer for the sum of the exterior angles is all going to be 360 degrees. So that's the second page. Then the third page, if you're dealing with regular polygons, that means all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. Then we can find the measure of each one of the angles separately. So if we're doing interior angles, we're going to do the same thing. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like this one has 9. So it's got 9 sides, so n equals 9. Well, what we do then is we take, let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wanted to make sure I counted right. We take that formula that we had on the first page, which is n minus 2 times 180. We're going to do that, and then we're just going to, once we get that answer, we're going to divide it by n. So we do n minus 2, which is 9 minus 2 times 180. We grab a calculator. So we get 9 minus 2 is 7, so 7 times 180, and I get 1260. That's the sum of the interior angles. Then we just take that number, and if it's already on our calculator, we just take that number and we divide it by how many sides there are, which is 9. And it says 140. So that means each interior angle, each one of these angles in here, is 140 degrees. And that's what you do on that third page. Then the fourth page is dealing with each exterior angle. So that means if I took, and these are all regular, again, regular polygons, so all the sides are the same, all the angles are the same. If I took one of these sides and extended it out, that's an exterior angle. And we're just trying to find each one of those. Well, we know that all the exterior angles together add up to 360 degrees. So all we do is we take 360 every time, and we divide by how many sides that certain shape has. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's got 7 sides. That goes in this box this time. And then I just take that 360 divided by 7, and it tells me about 51.4. So each exterior angle is about 51.4 degrees. Each one of these angles out here would be about 51.4 degrees. If I do number, let's jump to number 3. If I do it, Count the sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n equals 8. It's got 8 sides. I'm just going to take 360 divided by 8, and that's going to tell me what each exterior angle, if I extended one of the sides out, what each of those angles are. So 360 divided by 8, and I end up with 45. So each exterior angle is 45 degrees for an 8-sided figure, for a regular 8-sided figure. Hopefully that helps you. If you have any other questions, feel free to get back in touch with me.